Araw na naman ng physical therapy ng pasyente ko. Bali, ito na yung pangalawa sa huli na dadalawin siya sa bahay. Matatapos na yung kanyang home healthcare therapy. So next time, doon na siya, pagkatapos nito, doon na siya mismo sa hospital, sa outpatient therapist na siya. Yung gagamit na siya ng mga equipment ng hospital para tuloy-tuloy na yung rehabilitation ng both knee niya. So far, so good. Nakakaakyat baba na siya sa hagdan. Tapos, nakakalakad na siya ng maayos na sometimes without the aid ng crutches at saka yung stick. So, hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na yung pagaling niya. Sometimes, nakaka-drive na siya. Short distance lang. Hindi ko pa rin siya pinapabayaan mag-drive ng long distance. Ako pa rin na nagda-drive. So, okay, manood na lang tayo ng mga exercises na pinapagawa sa kanya ng physiotherapist niya.
Good. All right. Any more? There you go. Okay, so 105. And another one. Just gonna do it to this side. Can you do any more? All right, so that's 102 right now. Okay. So last time we had 111 both sides, so definitely stiff. Yeah. Did you get your exercises done yesterday?
Yeah.
2-3 times?
Nope, just once.
Just once, okay. So that's one thing, you know. You're still at the point where two to three times a day is a better idea.
Right, yeah.
You know, once a day may not keep you as loose as you want to do. And again,
They were stiffening up pretty bad yesterday, that's why I didn't do anymore.
well, that's why they got stiffer, because you didn't move them.
Yeah.
Like, I understand, but at the same time, yeah, moving them is what's going to keep them from stiffening up. Keep in mind also, you're probably sick of this about now. This is not for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
This is right now. The better we do now, the quicker we get to the rest of your life, where you don't have to think about your knees every freaking day. Okay? All right. What about one of those hang and stretches on both legs? So,
No?
no, just the one where you grab your thigh and let your heel hang down. Yeah, and you're gonna breathe. Just gonna stay there for 20 to 30 seconds if you can. 1, 2, 8, 9. You're not forcing. You're just allowing it to drop. Actually, that already looks better than 105. So we'll go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slide out. Hold it so you can forward. Alright, there you're at 108, so that helped. Good. So the hang and stretch on the other leg now. Remember not to block the crease of the knee. Try to block your fingers. Trying to keep everything else relaxed as you just let that hang. And it's heavy. Keep in mind your ankle is heavy, so you just let it drop, let it drop, let it drop. You're picking it up, Patrick. Yes, like gravity just assist you in just stretching out the front of it. So go 10, 9, 8, 7. Don't pick it up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, slide it out. Let's try to sneak in there in the back so I can get a better measurement. Around here. Alright, let's do a full set of 10 slides over here because we lost the really. Yeah, you couldn't need to go straight. Don't hold your breath when you're doing the efforts when you want to be exhaling. Thinking about that alignment too, we're trying to move towards that shoulder. You're allowed to growl. Good, good. Left shoulder. That's better. That's 108. Good. Okay, so we got them both to 108 this time. Last time we had 111 both sides, so we're in the ballpark. All right, but don't stop stretching them because they get stiff. They only get stiffer. Okay? And yeah, if it helps to do the alternating legs just to get that reciprocal movement going, I mean, whatever it takes, but you have the tools to do this. But the tools have to be used. So twice a day, 3 times a day. When you do your slides, do 3 sets of 10. Do the hang, stretch in between, where you're holding the thigh.
Yep.
You get to decide, but you want a good outcome after having gone through this. To get the best outcome, we got to keep the pressure on these things. Okay, right. This one, because that's the one that we've been fighting for the entire session. Just keep that relaxed. Yeah, press down into the belly. I think did we add holds last time?
Yeah.
Have you been doing that?
No.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. And again like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4, 5. Still tired yet? More like that, okay? You're still struggling there. When was the last time you laid on your belly and let your foot hang over the edge?
Earlier yesterday.
Yeah, let's do that and give you some time to just chill and think. Get the knees a little further on the bed if you have to. This bed's a little awkward, but I don't know if this might be better done upstairs, Patrick. Just, try it in the morning, because ideally, I'd love you to be on the bed up to about here.
Yeah, the bed upstairs is more...
Well, he's running into the wall here is the thing, Are you breathing? Yep. Exhaling. Just open here. This is a tight muscle. Feel how tight that is? Feel the difference? This is nice and squishy. This one is like, I don't think so. Wow. Is it tender in there? Is it okay if I rub it a little while you're stretching? Get more out of you. While I do this, can you sort of bend it and then just a little bit, just a little tiny bit, tiny, small. Put it down. Okay, just tiny. So just keep on doing that. Just a little and down. Yep. Almost don't even move, just like you're thinking about doing it, but then stop doing it. Keep doing it. Yep, that's enough. I mean, keep doing it, but make it very, very, very small. All right, stop doing it now. Just. Okay? Oh, tell me if it's too much, all right? It's a tight hamstring, baby. It's probably part of why you're getting that that weird rotation when you try to straighten it too, because all the stuff on the inside here is so tight. Outside is not so bad. I feel bad it's a little bit looser here, but this inside of your hamstrings is very, very sort of out of balance. Okay, maybe another 30 seconds or so there, and then we'll get you up, okay? See how our body does things though? Okay, let's get you up. bearings.
Okay.
Are you loving me now? I'm sorry.
Inhale, exhale.
Are you okay?
Yep.
See if you can just give me 3 in a row, and then I'll measure it again. Straighten it. And press your thigh down into the bed.
No wiggly giggly there.
Yeah, it's because your leg is a little bit unsure of where it is in space. And you gained a little bit, not a lot. All right, what about the hamstring stretches on this side? Are you doing those with the strap laying on your back, straight
Yeah.
leg strapped over your head? Let's see what that looks like. Is this what you're using?
No, it was a leather belt. It might be underneath that.
Oh yeah. When's the last time you were able to get this stretch?
Yesterday.
You did do it?
I normally is doing it almost every day. That's why.
So straighten the leg. Yep, keep it straight. Push out through your foot. Push out. So we're not going to push past the point where we can get this knee straight. So we don't have to come up very high with you because they're so tight. Do you feel like you're stretching this?
Yes.
Get a lot of that. You need to get through that somehow. Okay, bring it down. Are you doing any sitting with it? Like just really on something where there's nothing underneath here, like that? Like in the recliner, that doesn't really count because it...
Right. Yeah. Well, normally this laying in bed, I can feel that quite a bit.
Yeah.
That's why I think that's why I automatically go to my side.
Yeah.
So if I'm trying to sleep, I'll put something underneath it. But right now, just laying on this, I can still feel that one. This one doesn't feel bad at all. I
Right.
can still feel this. There's a little.
So here's
there.
here's just another idea, because a lot of what I'm seeing here is that you're trying to keep your leg rolled in and straight because you know you're supposed to be getting that stretch, but then it makes these muscles really tight that roll the leg in. So what if we let me just get rid of this? Even when you're sleeping, just a little bit of I don't know how big this has to be to make a difference for you. Here, okay, put your leg down. So what I'm trying to do is make it so it won't roll out, but it still gets to be. And I don't know if a pillow might be better than like this. So, just something there.
Yeah,
Let that
I did
relax.
notice that it has a tendency to roll that way.
Yeah, so just totally let it relax. Let it roll out if it wants to roll
Okay,
out.
let's go ahead.
Okay. So net. Sure.
That's my funny muscle.
So that might help to keep you. So you're getting a stretch in the back now.
Yeah.
But you're not intentionally rolling your leg in, you're letting it relax.
Yes.
That's part of it, is we need to have you stop doing that.
Okay.
Because when you try to straighten it, it doesn't know where it is.
Right.
That's why, because these inside muscles are very, very tight. Difference here, very tight. So propping it at the side so that you can keep it straight without having to keep it straight.
Oh, that's good.
Make it so you don't have to do it.
Yep.
Let's go to the stairs. There's a stair stretch too, and I don't know if you've done that one or not. So,
Yeah, we were doing the lunges before.
this is different.
Different. It is different.
Guess what I'm stretching? All this.
Oh, the hamstrings.
So again, the foot goes up and just let it stay straight, and then you kind of like bend over. And I've got good support both places, but I'm getting good stretch. You might not need to bend over that far. You might get a stretch just by putting up there. I'm pretty loose, so I have to bend to get a stretch. But getting the stretch, I mean, is when you start to feel the stretch.
Right.
Do you feel the stretch?
Yep.
Yeah, you do. You don't even have to bend over. So maybe that's more effective for you. I don't know.
Okay.
But this is everything else is moving along really well. But getting this thing fully straight, this leg is just being the problem child. All right. So this is another good stretch. Do you feel like you're getting a deeper stretch here than you did with the belt?
About the same. Right.
Yeah. And this one,
This keeps dropping down. I can see that.
Yeah, I think this one might be better because over there I felt like you weren't able to keep the legs straight. Here, gravity is helping you to
Oh,
keep the
I
legs straight, so I think this one might be more effective. So, and now Joe's got this on tape, so remembering to do this one.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Yeah, and then I just wanted to see how you're doing with these step up, step down at the stairs that we had last time. And where were they?
To go up? Or just
So we were
along
working
these?
at the bottom step.
Oh, yeah.
Have you been working on those?
No.
No? Okay. Well, let's do them today then.
Okay. Oh,
Do
okay.
you remember how it goes?
Little step.
Yeah. You can put 5 each side forward over it. Yep. Let's try the other foot. Forward. Remember, we gotta get the forward weight shift. You gotta get your nose over your toes. 2. That one's looking good. 2. Remember that the butt cheek is also involved, so on your way up, you use this muscle here. Yes, that's the power muscle for up the hill. Up the stairs. Can you just do one more thing here? I notice the easiest. Good. All right, so don't forget to do these. For the most part, most of our stretches, we want to put the body in a position where there's a stretch, and then allow the release to happen. So, sometimes we get up here and we're forcing. When we start forcing, the body tightens up and goes, no, you don't. Right? So if you can just stay there, allow release. Feel it up in here, just allow it. Try to find that happy place where you're getting something done, but you're not fighting against your own
Right,
self.
so when it's the waist and bring it down eventually.
Yeah, and the power of the breath too. Every time you exhale, you just release a little bit, even if it's just momentarily, because that exhale, it takes a little bit of the guarding off. The guarding is that thing where we're protecting and then, it hurts when you tight. Every time you exhale, you take a little piece of that off, and it just allows a little bit more release. And all those little tiny ones add up to something.
Sure.
So we're gonna pull the feet in as far as you can to get up. Get your weight forward over them, both of them. Yep. And again, get them back. as
So
far
we're
as
gonna
you
get
can.
them back against the chair like that.
Stay weight on both of them. Yes.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Yeah. And again, that's that breaking the habit again.
Okay, that's it for today. Until next time again. Thank you for watching. Bye.